Willkommen and welcome back to a new lesson. Are you ready? Bist du bereit? Wait a second. Before we start, let's go through the words from our last lesson one more time. Träume, Träume, which is the plural of Traum, dream. Fest, Fest, which has two meanings. It's either party or stable. Fest as a party is a noun, and Fest as a stable is an adjective. Erfolg, Erfolg. Zufrieden, Zufrieden. Reich, Reich. Traumjob, Traumjob. Boot, Boot. And finally, Gesundheit, Gesundheit. Do you remember the adjective of Gesundheit? Gesund, correct. Our last lesson was about dreams in the future. Today, we are going to talk about the weather in the future, or tomorrow's weather. In German, das Wetter von morgen. The weather of tomorrow. Das Wetter von morgen. It will be hot. Es wird heiß sein. Es wird heiß sein. It will be, es wird sein, and then when you add hot or anything else, you put it between wird and sein. Es wird heiß sein. The opposite, it will be cold. Es wird kalt sein. Es wird kalt sein. The complete opposite, it will be neither hot nor cold. In German is es wird weder heiß noch kalt sein. Es wird weder heiß noch kalt sein. So, neither nor in English is translated into weder noch in German. And obviously the verb sein is at the end. Es wird weder heiß noch kalt sein. And this applies to everything. Weder noch, neither nor. It will be nice, or it will be good weather. Es wird gutes Wetter sein. Es wird gutes Wetter sein. Now let's start with some verbs. It will rain. Es wird regnen. Es wird regnen. So as you can see, or as you can remember from our last lesson, regnen means rain. The same thing goes with it will snow. Snow is an old word for you. You had it in the second course, and it is schneien. Schneien. It will snow, therefore is es wird schneien. Es wird schneien. It will be stormy, or there is going to be a storm, in German is es wird einen Sturm geben. Es wird einen Sturm geben. Geben means to give. However, in this case, geben comes from es gibt. There is. Remember? And es gibt in the future is es wird geben. There is going to be a storm. Es wird einen Sturm geben. I understand that in English this doesn't make sense to use the verb to give in such a sentence, but in German it actually makes sense. It will be cloudy. Es wird bewölkt sein. Es wird bewölkt sein. And bewölkt is the adjective of cloud. Wolke. Es wird bewölkt sein. It will be cloudy. Es wird bewölkt sein. It will hail. Es wird hageln. Es wird hageln. Hageln is a new verb now. It means to hail. It will be windy. Es wird windig sein. Es wird windig sein. And just like bewölkt, windig is an adjective that comes from the noun Wind. The wind. Wind, windig. The noun and then the adjective. Es wird windig sein. It will be a beautiful day. Es wird ein schöner Tag sein. Es wird ein schöner Tag sein. The opposite. Es wird ein schrecklicher Tag sein. Es wird ein schrecklicher Tag sein. Schrecklich is also a new word which means terrible or awful. Schrecklich. Es wird ein schrecklicher Tag sein. The question, what's the weather like tomorrow, should not be with the verb werden. It could be, it doesn't have to. You can simply say, wie ist das Wetter morgen? Wie ist das Wetter morgen? The fact that you have the word morgen in your question is enough evidence that the sentence or the question is in the future, that you are asking about something in the future. You don't have to write werden as well. You could, you don't have to. Too much, whether it's about the weather, about homeworks, about how difficult the German language is, you can simply say zu viel. Zu viel means too much. Zu viel. The opposite, a little, ein wenig. Ein wenig. And this is the literal translation of the English form. A is ein and little is wenig. Wenig is little in the sense of quantity and not size. Now, let's answer this question. Wie ist das Wetter morgen in Ihrer Stadt? How is the weather tomorrow in your city? Try to use some of the new words and try to build a bit more complicated sentences. A possible answer could be: Morgen ist es sonnig, aber es ist weder zu heiß noch zu kalt. Es wird allerdings ein wenig windig sein. What does this mean? Morgen ist es sonnig. Tomorrow it's sunny. Aber es ist weder zu heiß noch zu kalt. But it's neither too warm nor too cold. Zu heiß and zu kalt mean too warm and too cold. Es wird allerdings, it will be however, ein wenig windig sein. It will be however a bit or a little bit windy. Ein wenig windig, a little bit windy. Or a little windy. Now, let's go through the new words. Weder noch means neither nor. Weder noch. Hagel, hail, Hagel, schrecklich, terrible, schrecklich, zu viel, too much, zu viel, and finally, ein wenig, a little, ein wenig. And gratuliere. That was the end of this lesson. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!